Yeah, no, thank you for sharing those experiences. Yes, relationships can be a great context for growth, to put it mildly, right? Even a brief encounter can have a lot of content that we can process, and it can bring up a lot of things. And then we can, of course, compare relationships and see things from new angles and whatnot. But yes, as we're going through this process, it can be quite lonely when people in your life, partners, friends, family, don't understand, aren't experiencing this with you. Um, and One thing that I can say is, if we look at everybody here, even though we are going through this process, if we were to relate on a more deeper level, I guarantee that there would be a lot of differing experiences, opinions, attitudes, approaches. If somebody was even a little bit further ahead of you, you may feel anxious, insecure, threatened, jealous. Somebody's a little bit even behind, even if they're going through Kundalini awakening and they're, maybe say, like, they've written books about it and stuff. You would, if they're a little further behind than you, quote unquote behind, you know what I mean, you may get frustrated with them too. And so the idea of, like, if everyone would just have a Kundalini awakening with me and we'd all be good and understand each other, I think that alone is a bit of a romanticized idea. Um, because across the community, there's many differing perspectives and they're all valid. I think so. What I'm trying to say is, in some respects, we must come to accept that your journey is your journey. People you encounter are part of it, and they don't have to experience things in the same way that you do. And part of the work for us is to meet others in a common ground. So maybe it's just, what commonality do we have? And we meet there and we enjoy and relate from that place. And that can bring a lot of relief when we are finding that our relationships are strained because others can't really see us where we're at. I don't think anybody can really see us where we're at. And that's, it's maybe harsh and unfortunate to hear, but I think if we come to accept that, we can really begin to relate in a much deeper way. So thank you for sharing that there.